Hello. This video describes the process of flashing a Bloom software image on a compact box player. The procedure shown here is the same for both master and slave. Before you start, make sure that you have the right image provided by QBetter. There is an image for Bloom master and another for Bloom slave. The first step is to create a bootable USB pen drive with the Bloom player image. In order to do that, install Etcher from Balena.io on the PC. Please note that if you already have it installed, you don't need to do it again. Find the Etcher download link in the video description. Once you have Etcher installed, plug the USB pen drive into the PC. The USB pen drive must be empty, and with at least 16 GB memory capacity. You can now run Etcher. And click on the Flash from File button. Search for the Bloom image ISO file, and then click on Open. If the image file you have is not in the ISO format, you need to unzip it. We recommend you to use the 7-zip software to unzip Bloom images. Find the link to download 7-zip in the video description. Click on the Select Target button. Choose your USB pen drive, and click Select. After that, click on the Flash button and wait for the process to finish. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the process is completed, you will be able to flash the Bloom image on the compact box. Plug a keyboard and a mouse into the compact box and plug the compact box into a display through HDMI. Plug the USB pen drive with the Bloom image into the compact box. And turn it on. When it turns on, press the F10 key. When the boot menu opens, select the USB pen drive, press Enter, and wait. When a text with a question is displayed, press the Y key and then enter. Repeat this process in the following question, and wait. When the Choose Mode window is displayed, select the Power Off option and press Enter. Wait for the compact box to power off. When the compact box turns off, remove the USB pen drive, and turn it on. When the compact box turns on, go to BIOS, disable Secure Boot and enable Legacy Boot. Save and exit setup. Wait for the system to prepare. This process may take a few minutes. When the settings window opens, assign an IP address to the player, and set the network settings. Click on the Apply button and the Bloom player will reboot. After flashing the image, it is required to license the software. If it is a Bloom Master Prime or Unlimited, please contact the support team through our help desk and schedule an intervention. Thank you for watching.